Now, there has been another dramatic twist in the Arushi Talwar murder case. Rejecting the CBI's closure report, the special court in Ghaziabad ordered that both Rajesh and Nupur Talwar should now be made accused. They will now be put on trial and have been summoned on the 28th. The court has said that they can stand trial for attempt to murder, destruction of evidence and common intent.
Arushi's parents, Rajesh and Nupur Talwar, have now been summoned to court in the Arushi and Hemraj murder case. CBI Special Court in Ghaziabad has named Rajesh and Nupur Talwar as accused in the double murder case. The couple will now be tried for the murders.
ने डॉक्टर राजेश तलवार और डॉक्टर नुपुर तलवार दोनों के खिलाफ 202 और 201 आईपीसी का कॉग्निजेंस ले लिया है और अगली तारीख 28/2 रख दी है उनकी अपीयरेंस के लिए.
Based on CBI's closure report, Rajesh and Nupur Talwar will be charged with murder under Section 302 of the IPC. They can be charged for destruction of evidence under Section 201. The Talwars will also be charged under Section 34 of the IPC, which entails acts done by several persons in furtherance of a common interest.
में बड़ा साफ लिखा गया है माननीय कोर्ट द्वारा कि सीबीआई की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर नूपुर तलवार, राजेश तलवार के खिलाफ सफिशिएंट एविडेंस आता है और उनको एक्यूज की तरीके से उनको प्रोसिक्यूट किया जाना आवश्यक है.
I think it's a perfectly sound judgment, and there were more than enough circumstances on the basis of which the CBI itself could have charge sheeted.
Following the developments in the Arushi case in the court today, CBI convened a meeting of top officials to look into the various aspects related to this murder mystery.
However, the Talwar's counsel said they will approach a higher court for striking down this order.
आज जो ऑर्डर पास हुआ है, चीफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट ने जो ऑर्डर पास किया है, इसको हम चैलेंज करेंगे सुपीरियर कोर्ट में. इट इज अ चैलेंजेबल ऑर्डर.
Now that the court has summoned the Talwar couple, the process of the trial will begin on the 28th of February, and they have time till then to decide what their future course of action is going to be. But it remains to be seen whether Nupur Talwar would be taken in custody before that, since she's a fresh accused in the case now. Abhishek Bhalla in Ghaziabad for Headlines Today.